Hello, I am Sanjay Sane from Sane's Academy of Statistics and Artificial Intelligence. Well, this channel is for those audience who are interested in data science, machine learning, and technologies like R, Python, and Excel. I have seen many times that in spite of me teaching a particular topic, often students forget that topic, or maybe they forget some of the points from that topic. So my videos on this channel will enable those students to refresh the topic, and I will be covering the videos related to basic statistics, Python basics, R basics, and also machine learning, deep learning, advanced topics. Apart from that, the technologies or the tools like Excel and related other things also will be covered on this channel. For many of the videos, the material which has been used to deliver the content, like some Python document, some Python related document like IPYNB file, or maybe some Excel file, or maybe something else like that. The link of that particular file will be provided in the description of the particular video. Now I expect, or I encourage the audience to not only just view the video, but also by doing play pause of the video, you can try out all those options which have been taught in the video, so that you will get maximum benefit from each of the videos. In order to set the sequence of which video can be viewed first and which can be video can be viewed last, I will be setting every video, with every video will be associated a playlist. So I recommend to go by the playlist rather than going by the uploads of my videos. Enjoy watching my videos. Happy learning. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.